What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for free at Trello. So I want to do that. First of all, go to get Trello for free. I want to sign up using my Google account. You can also use your Apple account, select Microsoft account. So I want to use Google account, so click here and then select any email from here. I want to select this one and then go to continue, create your account. Now you can skip this one and continue. Again click to continue and again click to continue. Go to your first board and that's it. You can sign up in Trello using this process. I think this is helpful for beginner. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.